Today I am going to teach you in this tutorial how to add a YouTube video to an assignment. So we have our Google Classroom already set up, and we go into classwork, we press create, and then assignment. And we're going to give this a title. Our title today is going to be about volcanoes, so I'm going to type that in. Under instructions, I'm going to put, please watch this YouTube video. I'm going to click on our YouTube link, and I'm going to search for volcanoes. I'm going to find the video that I want the students to watch, and it's going to be this one, Volcanoes, Facts for Kids. I'm going to click it, then add it onto my assignment, and I'm going to change my points to 10 points. Click on a due date. We're going to make it August 23rd. And then let's put a topic in here. Create a topic. Video on volcanoes. We are ready to assign this topic. It's all set, ready to go.